buddy. Hi.
Big yawn.
Big yawn. He's so far in here. It's
I know.
tough to get him out. He's gonna really start screaming.
That's okay.
I really don't know the best way to get him.
Are both his arms out? There we go. There.
Hi, buddy.
He's got some mess in his diaper too. He's really swampy.
No, he's got a mess.
Can you see?
No, but he had a mess before
Hi,
that.
buddy. Hi. Chick, look who it is. Look who it is. Give kisses.
Jake, it's Aiden. Aiden kicked you when
Give
you laid on my
kisses.
belly.
Give kisses. Good boy. Good boy. Here, give him kisses. Good boy.
Oh,
Good boy.
Jake, it's your brother.
Good job.
It's your brother.
Jake, look. Jake, look. Good boy, see?
Kisses.
Good boy.
Kisses
Good
for the
boy.
brother.
Good boy. Aiden's got some more right eye crusties.
Yeah.
You got right eye crusties? Jake, how are you? You good boy last night? Did you miss mommy and daddy?